Umsolwa isisebenzi esineminyaka engu-49 esabe sisebenzela inkampani yonogada i-G4S kanye nowesilisa oneminyaka engu-65 wasePort Edward e-Eastern Cape nongubaba wentombi kaBester. Amaphoyisa athi laba babhekene necala lokwelekelela umuntu ukuthi abalekele ingalo yomthetho.
The former G4S employee and the man believed to be a relative to the suspect that is in police custody in Tanzania. They do have a case to answer.
Namhlanje usuku lwesibili uBester kubikwe ukuthi uyolandwa eTanzania. Okhulumela amaphoyisa uthi kunokubambezeleka ngenxa yokuthi ithimba elithunyelwe eTanzania lisabambe izingxoxo nabomthetho.
They have arrived in Tanzania. They are currently engaging with their counterparts, obviously, to discuss and finalize all legal processes that are required to obviously bring these fugitives back to justice in the country.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uthi ukubuyisela uBester nentombi yakhe uDokotela Nandipha Magudumana kulelizwe kuncike emthethweni waseTanzania.
Bringing them back would be nice, but that does not depend on the team we sent. Also depend to the laws of the other country and cooperation of the other country.
Amaphoyisa athi liyaqhubeka uphenyo ngeinzolo zokuthi isisebenzi sasendlini obekuhlala kuyo uBester kungenzeka ukuthi sabulawa.